All right, welcome back. Number of big oil earnings on deck. Crude's tracking for its best day of the year. You do have those, escalating tensions in the Middle East, which is the obvious reason for this. So you got Conoco and EOG. Both are tomorrow. What's your take?
I think the setup is just good, not great for all the energy names. We have ConocoPhillips, we own Chevron, we own Marathon Petroleum. We're not expecting much out of any of them, but ConocoPhillips is off 11% in 3 months. If anything, if you get a pullback there, I'd be a buyer.
Okay. EOG, Joe?
Free cash flow, you have to see growth 10 to 15% at a minimum.
Friday is Chevron and Exxon. Kev, you own Chevron. You cut it in half a couple of months back.
Yeah, last quarterly report was okay. 2 quarterly reports was atrocious. We cut that in half. It's up on the year. We rotated some of that money into ConocoPhillips. WTI has been between 70 and 90 for 2 years. So it's a cap distribution story, not a WTI story.
Mark Fisher nailed that, by the way. When he said, it feels like 2 years ago, that he said oil was going to stay in a 70 to 90 range for the foreseeable future. And when Kevin just said that, it jarred my memory. I remember him saying that on I believe it was this program.
Yep.
And not Closing Bell. But he crushed that call.
Yep, he sure did. We got to get an update from him soon.
Big shock that he crushed that call. What is your favorite energy name of the ones that you hold?
Marathon Petroleum is our favorite. ConocoPhillips is second, and Chevron's a not too distant third.
Shan, what do you think about the energy trade here?
Yeah, I mean, geopolitical tensions were the reason that we, had commodities coming into the year. And I think that, but with a range-bound energy price, I do think it comes back to more about capital discipline, where they're investing. And so I think that there is, the importance of looking at the free cash flow and what they're potentially doing with some of this excess capital. Because if you recall, the reason nobody liked investing in energy stocks a decade ago was because of lack of capital discipline.
All right.